Good afternoon. It is time for our daily story. And today I have a Goodnight book, which I know it's not bedtime, but maybe it's nap time. So maybe you could take a little nap after our story if you're in the mood. Or you could always rewatch this when we get closer to bedtime. But this is a really cute book. And it's called Goodnight, Little Blue Truck. Goodnight, Little Blue Truck. And if we remember that our front covers have three things, main things: a title, a cover picture, and our author and illustrator's name. Our author's name is Alice Schertle, and our illustrator is Jill McElmurray. And if we look at our cover picture, what do you see? What characters do you see? What do you think is happening in this book? I see lots of farm animals. So if you see lots of farm animals on our front cover, where could you predict that the setting of the story might be? If we have lots of farm animals, where do you think the story might take place? Do you think it might take place under the ocean? No. We can use the farm animals as a context clue to maybe guess that it happens on a farm. So let's get started. See what this book is all about. Good night, little blue truck. All right, and remember this book is pretty rectangular. Remember, it's very long rectangle, so I have to hold it kind of far back, okay? Bumpity bump, down the road came little blue truck with his good friend Toad. Who's driving the truck? Toad. Thunder is crashing. Lightning was flashing. Two good friends were homeward dashing. Dashing home. Now, did you notice that our story has rhyming words? Thunder crashing, lightning flashing, homeward dashing. Dashing, flashing, crashing. Rhyming words. Such a wet and stormy night. Their warm garage was a welcome sight. In they went and shut the door. But it wasn't very long before... What do you think's gonna happen? "Ma!" said the goat. "Please, little blue, can I come in here with Toad and you?" "Bop, bop, bop," said Hen. "It's wet outside. I need a nice, safe place to hide." So goat, sorry guys, it's kind of glary because the pages are glossy. So goat and hen, they tried to come in. What do they need? What do they want? A nice place to hide from the storm. All right. Here we go. "Honk, honk," said Goose. "I don't care for lightning. Stormy nights are a little bit frightening." "Moo," said the cow. "Can I come in too? I feel safer here with you." So now which animal characters do we have who want to come? Cow and goose. Do animals like being out in the rain? No. They want to come inside where it's safe and warm. "Quack, quack, quack, quack," said the duck. "That's quite a crowd. Can I squeeze in? Are ducks allowed?" said Pig. "Is there room for me? I'm cold and wet as can be." So now who do we have? Pig and duck. They want to come in too. Oh my, let's take a look. How many animals do we have? We have cow, goose, pig, duck, hen. That's 5 so far. Beep, 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 said Little Blue Truck. Little Blue, there's room for you and you and you. Everybody gather round. Thunder's such a grumbly sound. He's getting all snuggled up for the night. Clouds bump and tumble in the sky, but here inside we're warm and dry. And all the thirsty plants below will get a drink to help them grow. Close to Blue, over and under, they listened to the rain and thunder. So look, they're all snuggled up. Dry and warm in the garage. Duck said loud as he could quack it, "Thunder's just a noisy racket." "Boom," said Goat. "It isn't scary. I was not afraid." "Not very." "Just a noise," said Pig. "No wonder. I'm not scared of a little thunder." I don't know, they were acting scared before. After a while, the clouds blew on. The night was still. The storm was gone. Goat said, "We feel better, Blue. It's easy to be brave with you." Pig said, "I feel sleepy now. Let's all head for home," said Cow. "Beep, beep," said Blue. "Just hop inside. All aboard for the bedtime ride." Now he's going to take them home. Now, friends, I want you to listen to this page, and I want you to focus on listening for the rhyming pair of rhyming words, okay? So listen for the rhyming words. As I read it, there's 2 words that make the same sound that rhyme, okay? The rain had stopped, and way up high, the moon was a smile in the starry sky. Did you hear the rhyming word? Listen again. The rain had stopped, and way up high, the moon was a smile in the starry sky. Did you hear them? Which words did you hear? High and sky. Let's write that on our rhyming word. High sky. High and sky rhyme because they make the sound I. High, sky. What's Chloe's little brother's name? Kai. High, sky, Kai. Good. Good job listening for the rhyming words. If you hear a rhyming pair, give me a thumb wave, okay? Good night, Pig. Here's your pen. Good night, Duck. Good night, Hen. Pen, hen. Aw. Good night, Goat. You're home now. Good night, Goose. Good night, Cow. Now, cow. Wow! I rhymed, I didn't even mean to. Horn went beep, beep. Engine purred. Friendliest sounds you'd ever heard. Blue and Toad drove home together. 2 good friends in any weather. So now it's just Toad and Blue again, going back home to their garage. Toad laid down on his own small bed. Croak. Good night, little Blue, he said. Blue gave one small sleepy beep. Then Little Blue Truck fell fast asleep. The end. There's Little Blue sleeping. That was a nice story, friends. So we had a lot of rhyming words in that story. I want you to tell me, can you think of any rhyming words? Can you think of any words that rhyme? What about with our high and sky rhyming pair that we identified? High, sky. Can you think of anything else that rhymes with those words? Can you think of a sentence that you could make that has high and sky in it? I'm on a video, honey. Okay, don't let Colton eat your snacks. Get your bowl. High sky. We're like diamonds in the sky. You know that song? All right, friends. I want you to think of your own rhyming words. Make a sentence or a story with them. And I will see you guys tomorrow for morning meeting. Okay? Bye-bye.